What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the AU build. Ooh, nice VZ. And we are going today be cleaning this car. Look, it's not in the worst condition, but there's a lot of dog hair in here. We did take it out on the dirt track drifting, so it is full of mud. It's really dirty on the outside. The goal today is just to scrub it up, give it a pretty decent little clean, and then see where we're at with this thing. We might actually get a detailer out to give it a full proper detail, but we'll see how good I can get it. So we do have all the good Bowden stuff that they sent over a couple of months ago that we're using on the F6, so we'll use it on the AU. And yeah, guys, so I think first up, I'm gonna go fill up this car. It is LPG again. That is kind of the only issue with this thing. So I'm really excited to see. Let's go find an auto gas place, see how many liters we actually use, take this over to the car wash, give it a good vacuum out first, I think, and then we will bring it back home and get the snow cannon on it. So let's do it. How many gas stations it takes? We've already been to one. How many do you think we'll pass before we find one? Take a guess in the comments right now, guys. I'm honestly gonna be sad to let this car go, because I know by the time we're finished with it, this thing is gonna be bloody awesome. It already is awesome, so up the AU, mate. This is a 7-Eleven. Oh, we got diesel. No, Supreme, diesel, extra. No auto gas, mate. This is the thing, the newer gas stations are not doing it. Here we got an Ampol. This is another one I usually go to. Let's go in here. This is another new one though. I doubt it's gonna have it either. Okay, petrol station number 3, Ampol. No. Again. No LPG. Mother. Oh, this is the issue with this car. Definitely. Okay, we got a BP up here. Come on, this BP looks like it is a little bit older. Let's hope. Come on, petrol station number 4. Here we go, into the green BP. Come on, BP, I'm feeling lucky here. I'm feeling lucky. Oh, I think we got a winner here. Yeah, we do, good job. All right, here we go. That is what we want. Auto gas. What is it, $1.06 a liter? Not bad, not bad. 4 petrol stations, so we had the 7-Eleven, we had the Shell, we had the Ampol, and then we finally found one at a BP Rewards that, again, it's the older station, so you gotta find an older station that has it, basically. Not bad, guys. Okay, look. 51 liters this thing took. Now this is supposed to have a 91 liter tank. If it took 51 liters, that means we had used just over half a tank yesterday and done 400 kilometers. And we also took this thing dirt track drifting, which we, really gave it some abuse there. If that is correct, this thing is super fuel efficient. Like, honestly, 400 Ks we've done. 51 liters, supposed to have a 91 liter tank. Gonna have to do the math on this when I get home, but that sounds pretty good to me. Alrighty, we're heading to the car wash. Here we go. She's pumping today, mate. She is pumping. You beauty. And look, inside, it's not amazing. Look, the headliner, typical AU, it's starting to fall down. We're missing a light. In general, though, it's not too dirty in here. I gotta say, it's a bit of wear. Like here, there's a bit of wear. There's a lot of dog hair in here. There's not a whole lot of rubbish. right as the bloody rain starts coming down. Look, the owner had a dog, 2 dogs I think, and like you can tell there's dog hair bloody everywhere, and it just does not want to come out. That vacuum is super strong, and yeah, it's not really coming out. It is better than what it was. We've given it a pretty decent little vacuum out. Found some weird items. Yeah, weird AU things. We can probably do an interior clean actually at the moment. I'll get some of the pads out. We'll just spray this whole car down. Boy, it's like, it is howling. It is howling out here. This is like super unusual weather for Perth. You know, Perth locals who are watching, you guys will know, like, you know, we're not used to having big rainstorms like this. You know, it's freak events for us. It is middle of winter, and that's when we do get the rain usually, but man, it's been a while since we've had this kind of weather. Got nice fresh wiper blades on this car. Love it. Oh my goodness, you can tell like this thing is it ain't that quick. It ain't that quick, but yeah, I don't know if that's, we might need to weld the diff. It sounds like one tire's going, and that's about it. So, all right, so here are the 2 products I'm gonna use for the inside. This is Bowden's Vinyl Care. Use that with one of these little square things, and just all over the dash, like anything down here on the wheel, like it just really gets all the crud off, gives it a nice shine. It doesn't feel sticky either. And then I'm probably gonna go all through the windows of this car also, at least on the inside first, and just clean it all up, because yeah, it's dirty, it's cruddy. And then once we kind of do that, I'll get the cannon out and we'll give it a good wash. So let's get on to using this guy. It is pretty good. All right, so we got the Vinyl Care here, and let's just douse this bad boy. Give it a bit of a shake. She's yeah, let's just spray this. Spray this wheel, dash. That is probably a good amount of a section at the moment. And we're gonna use this guy and just scrub. Have a look at that. Look at that. You know, even the backside is dirty now from my hand touching this thing. That is nasty. And that's like literally just the dash and the driver's door. Oh my goodness. Not gonna lie, I was a little bit concerned that some spiders were gonna jump me while I was driving, but we didn't see any, so that was very luckily for my safety and the spiders, of course. Okay, so let's have a look at this beauty intake here. Here we go. Oh baby. Alright guys, so we have been using Bowden's orange agent here, and yeah, we've also had a bit of this Vinyl Care as well for some of the plastics here, but basically anything metal I've been trying to use the orange agent and just scrubbing it the best I can. And I gotta say, it's already coming up pretty nice, you know, like we've all wiped down all the battery, all like in here was super dirty, we've done that. even the top of the green top here now, it's still needs more work. I need to get a little bit of a brush and get in some of those hard to reach areas, and I might even give it a quick spray with a hose, but I don't really want to get it too wet in here, just in case, you know. I've cleaned up all in here, it's all nice in there. Still got to clean that one, but you know, for a quick little clean, it's not bad. Overall, it's looking pretty tidy. We might get a new tank here just to really clean it up. Because that one obviously has seen better days and could potentially crack on us, so I definitely don't want that to happen. So we might look for an aftermarket one. I'm not actually sure what is going on here with, you know, this is something to do with the LPG. Don't know why that's hooked into it though. Yeah, damn. Be interesting if we can replace that. I definitely would like to, because these do crack. And that one is looking pretty rough. All right, let's not mess around. Let's get the big guns out. The old Ozito, mate. Bunnings Special, $100. Can't go wrong. Conectod. So we got our Bowden snow cannon here. And yeah, snow blow cannon. This thing's actually really good. I love this thing. Get it right in. Locked and loaded. Let's do this. All right, now these headlights are pretty bad. So I saw this trick, right? I've never used it, but I saw a trick on TikTok. Apparently it works. Now they said use off insect repellent. I've just got this kind of Kohl's brand one, and this one is dry now and it is super yellow. If I show you guys, like, that is really yellow. Now just quickly, a huge shout out to this week's Patreon supporters. If you guys want to join the Patreon, get early access to content, videos, merch, there is a link in the description, so check it out. Let us just see. So, just Kohl's insect spray. Definitely improved it, no doubt about it. Look at that, guys. It's still a bit cloudy now. I'm running out of this, so if I might finish this can off on this headlight just to see what we can do. Nah, that's it. All right, well, definitely has improved it. It's still not perfect, still a little bit cloudy, but I gotta say, if I had another full can of that, it seemed to work well when you were really just dosing it on there. But yeah, who knew we were gonna start using bug spray on this cockroach. But yeah, we'll see how much yellower that gets later on down the track. But I mean, yeah, it's still got a lot of cloud on there, but mate, for a quick fix, definitely improved it, so recommend. All right, guys, I think that is a wrap. Yeah, look, there's more to do, there's more to clean, but you know, I'll quickly show you guys what we've actually done, and I think it's pretty nice. You know, look, the car itself, it's still got scratches, still got dirt. You know, we can still clean it up a lot more, the headlights especially. But you know, the windows, I've cleaned all the windows, given it a decent, this handle is broken, to fix that one. But in general, even look in the back seats here, it's not bad. Look, there's still some dog hair in here that I've got to try and get out. My vacuum's just died again, so I'm gonna have to continue with the dog hair removal, but in general, it has tidied up pretty well. You know, it doesn't smell or anything. It's not too bad. And when we come back into the front, again, it's pretty clean. You know, look, the seats, again, there's dog hair. They're a little bit loose with the fabric, but it's an old car. It's cleaned up pretty well. We're gonna have to go junkyard hunting for a few little bits and pieces. Yeah, and the middle light there too, but in general, you know, it's really cleaned up, not too bad. You know, I'm gonna remove some of these little stickers here, which I might do before I go inside. I'm happy with that, guys. I think for the time being, the AU is looking pretty good, and we are gonna start hunting for some wheels, and we might actually get some stripes on this car. We've had a business say they're happy to support us and give us something for free here if they want to do that. So we'll see what looks nice, let you guys decide, obviously, and get that on the car. Maybe do some tinting, I think. We'll see. I might call up some tint places, see if we can get tint on this car. That would just make it look a little bit nicer as well. Yeah, so all good with the AU. It's looking really nice. It's driving nice. All good. So we're gonna keep tinkering away on this and update you guys, you know, weekly with this car. So thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next video.